Everything that comes out is tested. In Haiti, we have 3 pharmaceutical manufacturing companies. In the Dominican Republic, they have more than 80. One of the reasons why we have 3 pharmaceutical companies in Haiti and the Dominican Republic have more than 80 is because 50% of that sector receives foreign aid. So there's no reason for anyone to come and invest millions of dollars in a pharmaceutical company where the market is reduced by half. Now you're going to tell me there's foreign aid because there's not good companies. What comes first, the chicken or the egg? So what you have to understand, if there's a market, there will be businesses coming to take advantage of that market. If we have quality standards, these businesses will meet the quality standards. So the idea will be to slowly encourage these people coming with the foreign aid to strengthen and start buying locally. And the businesses will come and the good people will stay in the country. And the country will build itself.